Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where performance meets precision. Today, we're diving into a serious memory upgrade for power users and gamers alike, the Patriot Viper Steel RGB DDR4 RAM 64GB 2x32GB 3600 MHz kit. If you're looking for a large capacity, high-speed memory solution that doesn't just perform but also turns heads, this one deserves a closer look. Let's talk specs. You're getting a massive 64GB of DDR4 memory, split between two 32GB modules, making it perfect for intensive multitasking, professional content creation, high-end gaming, and future-proof builds. Running at 3600 MHz with a low CAS latency of CL20, this memory kit delivers the sweet spot of speed and stability for Intel and AMD desktop platforms. Compatible with XMP 2.0 profiles, setup is a breeze. Simply enable XMP in your BIOS and unleash the full performance without any manual tweaking. Whether you're compiling code, rendering 4K video, or streaming and gaming simultaneously, this kit will keep up without breaking a sweat. Now let's get to the visuals. The Viper Steel RGB heat spreaders are made from premium-grade aluminum and feature a sleek, gunmetal finish that blends toughness with style. And the full-length RGB light bar across the top adds that dynamic gamer vibe to your setup. Fully customizable through popular motherboard lighting software, you can sync it up with the rest of your rig seamlessly. One thing that really stands out about Patriot is their focus on reliability. This kit is built with high-quality components, undergoes rigorous testing, and is backed by a limited lifetime warranty, giving you performance and peace of mind. Whether you're building a high-capacity workstation or a heavy multitasking gaming PC, this 64GB Viper Steel RGB DDR4 kit gives you the best of both worlds, incredible memory bandwidth and stunning aesthetics. Smash that like button if you're into high-performance builds, and hit subscribe for more daily tech drops. Ready to power up your system? Click the link below and upgrade your rig today with the Patriot Viper Steel RGB 64GB kit. Catch you in the next review.